I will just welcome all of you. This is your home. This is our home. This will be the home of all the generations to come. And this is a dream come true. Ang dream natin na magkaroon ng sariling bahay, finally, nagkaroon na ng katotohanan. And it was a dream from the very beginning. It was started by, of course, the past national president. Pero yung pag-collect talaga ng, started collecting the contributions or donations for the Apo building was during the term of Pangulong Daboy. And I remember, attention ko, magyabang na ako ng konti. And then, nung tagtawag siya, kaming tatlo ni Brad Jerry Arbis, Brad Jess Bueno, and myself, we made the first donation of 100,000 pesos each. So, tama mo ba? Pasensya na. And when I became president, finally, sabi ko, this is it. This should happen. So, I pursued this, even when we were at that time reeling from the pandemic. Sabi ko, it was, nasa pandemic pa tayo, ang hirap pa rin ng buhay natin. And of course, mahirap ang pera. But I believed na kaya natin. Kasi apo tayo, sabi ko. Na kaya natin noon yung telemed. Sabi ko, kaya natin yan. Because of the human resources, because of what we are, and because of our dream. So sabi ko, in my mind, everybody should be a part of this. It was my thinking that for us to be part of this, 2,000 pesos per member, kakayanin na natin bumili ng property. Because each one of us should be part of this. Kasama tayo lahat, hindi yung kukunti lang. Or kukuha pa tayo ng pera from other people who are not members of Alco Omega. Kaya natin. So for those who started, who heeded the call of 2,000 pesos, marami. That's why nandyan na tayo. And of course, may mga nagbigay ng pera like Apo Mason and si Chairman Archie, yung, ay maigis pala dito. Yung ano, Apo Sabongero, 300,000. And nagkakolect tayo sa NCR ng during the start of the launching. Launching, maraming nag-pledge. And of course, yung mga iba pang fundraising natin. And ewan ko kung sasabihin ko pa to. But I think I should. Yung 1.5 million from as a product of the hazing. Pasensya na kayo, I have to mention it because it's a substantial amount of money. I was bashed. Sabi nila, bakit ko tinanggap yan? 1.5 million from Gamma F. And of course, actually it was a result of the settlement of Judge
Bautista,
Bote and Gamma F. Hindi ako kasali doon. But I donated that
amount
sa Apo building. Si ano yun, to the effort of Brad Judge. Kaya dapat pasalamat tayo sa kanya doon sa 1.5 million. Sabi nila, I should not have accepted it. But I said, kung ayaw yung tanggapin ko, ayaw stoli ko, pero akin yung 5 million, 1.5 million. Wala naman nagbigay ng 1.5 million. So sabi ko, this is for Apo, hindi naman para sa akin. So ayan, finally, we had the money para pag-down payment. And meron pa naman tayong pera, correct me if I'm wrong. Diba may 1 million tayo from the special fund na nanggaling sa mga collections natin in the past from GA and other donations. And we also have 4.5 million na naiwan sa general fund na galing sa mga savings from the previous administration hanggang sa ano. So we have enough money, Pangulo. Ito lang ha, pasensya ka, makialam na naman ako. We can fully pay this. And yung mga collections natin, gawin na natin yan. And ipapa-blessing mo na during your term. Saka mag-ribbon cutting ka during your term. So brothers and sisters, pasensya na, welcome, welcome, welcome to your home. And of course, our dream country.